Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to load video on iPhone, video not playing on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn off autoplay previous. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap accessibility, tap motion, turn off autoplay video previous. Tip number 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. Software Update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Tip number 3. Select Download and keep original. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Photos, turn on iCloud Photo and select Download and keep original. Tip number 4. Force start your iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13 Pro Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.